I do want to jump into a very important piece of information on the last home stretch of the 2021 filing season. October 15th was the deadline for tax returns to get in. Actually, this year it was October 17th due to the timing. But most Americans, we file by April 15th, and then the extension wraps up everything for October 15th for the rest of us. However, there is a subset, individual taxpayers, who are typically exempt from filing taxes due to their income. And this year, for the 2021 filing season, they have until November 15th. So that's what's today, the 10th? So they have 5 more days to file a simplified tax return to get possible earned income tax credit, child tax credit, or maybe even the third stimulus check. And again, this is a very small group of people. These are people that are kind of living on the edge, maybe marginally, they have some income, but they're eligible certainly to send in the simplified tax return. And if you need to know, gee, do I have to file a tax return? You go to IRS Publication 17, get the PDF format, scroll down to page 9, and there's a chart that says, do I have to file a return? And if you don't meet the requirements, still file a tax return, file a simplified tax return. There's 2 ways you can do this. The IRS has left open their Free File Alliance website. They have approved partners that offer you free software to go in and file your tax return. But there's another website I discovered through some of my research and whatnot. It's getctc.org. GetCTC. CTC stands for Child Tax Credit. Getctc.org. It's a tool you walk through online, and I went through this tool. I wanted to see how it works because I have a family member that's a little bit on the edge of what's going on in his life, and he makes some income, not a lot, but I thought, wow, he'd be a perfect candidate to go through this. So I got on the phone and said, hey, let's go through this together. So we went through the tool at getctc.org, and long story short, he's getting back his federal withholding tax that was taken out of his paychecks, and he's getting some earned income tax credit because he meets the guidelines.
Cool.
Yes, I thought it was very cool. This is money that he would have left on the table.